Hey, what's up guys, it's George, and in this video here I want to show you an updated hack on how to take stickers off of boxes. Specifically here we're working with medical commodities boxes. I know I did a video a long time ago showing you can use a blow dryer and heat up the sticker on the box, and then once it heats up you can peel it off. But that's kind of old school now. Got a much easier updated method that I use. I rarely ever use the blow dryer. Every once in a while there's a situation where I need to, but to keep it really simple, what you want to do is get some odorless lighter fluid. This is one of my favorite kinds. Write down the brand here, and it's called Roncinol lighter fueled. But there are lighter fuel, but you want to get the odorless kind. And then what you want to do is you actually just want to make sure there's no candles or anything around, but you actually want to pour it right onto the box, like right where the sticker is, and don't worry about it damaging the product. That's what I thought it was going to at first. But so once it's kind of doused all right where the sticker is, then you want to get a razor blade, and I've been using the same one for a while, so this one's kind of gnarly and rusty now. But then you'll see it just starts to come up really easily. So hopefully you can, sorry if you can't see this, but trying to be careful not to damage the box at the same time. But you see how it's going right under like that? And so once I get it start peeling up like that, where you get like a little lip like this, then what I do is just put a little bit more lighter fluid on it, and it just starts to come off easier and easier. And I'll apply some more on. Usually I can just, I'm trying to do a video, but usually when I'm doing this by myself I can do this a lot faster. But it's coming up quicker. The rest of the lighter fluid is kind of soaked into the sticker at this point, so it starts to keep getting easier and easier. It's not ripping the box at all. You can see as it's coming up, which is nice. I'll put some more on there and just keep pulling and peeling, and it just comes right off. And if you got to put some more on, just keep applying some more, and as you can see, it is not damaging the box at all. It's coming right up nicely. Some of the sticker residue sometimes gets left on the box a little bit, but the lighter fluid actually even helps to get that off as well. And you just keep so it's all coming off right here. So you can see even where the this right here is where some of the sticker residue was kind of getting left on the box, but I just put some more on and just use the razor again, and just kind of, and it even that peeled off. So you can see right here, no damage at all to the box. Afterwards, I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit so it looks nice and it'll look, brand new. But anyways, I don't want to bore you doing this whole thing here. But so this is an easy trick. Just get some odorless lighter fluid and apply it generously all over the area where the sticker is, and then just carefully with a razor just peel it up. And like I said, you might have to keep applying some more, especially some stickers are more annoying than others. Some stickers just like just like cement themselves to the box, so some stickers are going to be a little bit more difficult, but either way the lighter fluid trick works great. And that's that. Pretty simple, guys. All right, and like I said, again, get the odorless kind. And until next time, catch you later. See ya.